Welcome to M365 Professional. Hi, I'm Puskar from the customer service team at M365pros.com. Today I'm gonna show you what to do if you purchase your subscription multiple times by mistake. First, sign into account.microsoft.com with your Microsoft account. Go to account.microsoft.com and click Sign In. In the next window, sign in with your email, Skype ID, or phone number if you're using an email to sign in. It could be an email such as Outlook.com, Gmail.com, or Yahoo.com. Once you've entered the information, enter your password and click Sign In. Now you are on the home screen of account.microsoft.com. I can see already on this page my most recent purchases that happen to match the charges that I saw. However, if I didn't see these charges that were listed, I could click on the Payments and Billing and select Order History. The Order History. I see that I purchased Xbox Live on June 5th for $10.90, and then, oh, that's right, I saw a promotion for Xbox Live for $1. I bought that on June 7th. The good news is I didn't purchase the subscription twice. If I click on Services and Subscriptions, I now see that it simply extended the time. The subscription is now set to renew on September 7th. Hi! To learn more about managing your subscription, visit our YouTube channel and blog.m365pros.com. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. M365 Professional. Check out more content here.